Hello friends, today we are going to talk about class 9th physics chapter 1 motion. This is going to be an short audio for revision, don't use it for study purposes. Let's start by understanding types of motion. There are mainly 4 types of motion: linear motion, random motion, circular motion, uniform circular motion. Linear motion. The motion in a straight line is known as linear motion. Random motion. The motion with continuously changing direction is known as random motion. Circular motion. The motion in circular path with a fixed midpoint is known as circular motion. Uniform circular motion. The motion in circular path with fixed midpoint and constant speed is known as uniform circular motion. Distance versus displacement. In this topic we are going to study about the difference between distance and displacement. Let's start by talking about distance. Distance is the total length covered by the particle. Its unit is meter and it is a scalar quantity. It doesn't have direction included. Now let's talk about displacement. Displacement is the length between initial and final point of the body. Its unit is also meter, but it is a vector quantity. It has direction included in it. Now let's start by studying speed. Speed is distance covered per unit time. The formula of speed is equal to distance upon time. Its SI unit is meter per second and it is a scalar quantity. There are mainly 4 types of speed: uniform speed, non-uniform speed, average speed and instantaneous speed. Uniform speed. Equal distance covered in equal amount of time is known as uniform speed. Non-uniform speed. Unequal distance covered in equal amount of time is non-uniform speed. Average speed. The value of total distance covered per unit total time taken is known as average speed. Instantaneous speed. The speed of a body at a particular time is known as instantaneous speed. Now let's start by studying velocity. Displacement covered by the body per unit time is known as velocity. Velocity is a vector quantity. The SI unit of velocity is meter per second. The formula of velocity is equal to displacement upon time. There are 4 types of velocity: uniform velocity, non-uniform velocity, average velocity and instantaneous velocity. This is exactly same with speed, but you have to replace the word distance with displacement in case of velocity. Now let's talk about acceleration. The rate of change of velocity with respect to time is known as acceleration. SI unit of acceleration is equal to meter per second square. The formula of acceleration is equal to change in velocity upon change in time, popularly known as v2 minus v1 upon t2 minus t1. Acceleration is a vector quantity. It has direction included in it. Now let's talk about 3 equations of motion. Vt equation, velocity time equation, v is equal to u plus at. Dt equation or displacement time equation, s is equal to ut plus 1 by 2 at square. Vd equation or velocity displacement equation, v square is equal to u square plus 2as. In these equations, v is equal to final velocity, u is equal to initial velocity, a is equal to acceleration and t is equal to time. Thank you. That's all for this video.